A strategy is to search. You want to search when you need specific information but don't know which journal or book has the information. An excellent strategy is to use a worksheet. We can use this to write out our research question. What role do gender stereotypes play in math anxiety, for instance? And then identify the key terms or phrases and write them down. Next, list any synonyms or related terms for each of those concepts that you can think of. This gets you thinking about your search. Next, identify the descriptors or subject headings for those terms. Use the PsycInfo database and go up to the thesaurus. We're using this to identify subject headings. We'll type in gender and browse the alphabetical list. Notice it says the term is not there. Instead, use human sex differences. So I'll click that. Now we'll do stereotypes. We have stereotyped attitudes or stereotyped behavior. Let's choose stereotyped attitudes. I'm going to change this to and. So those terms are now in our search block. And then we'll do the same for math anxiety. See, there's several terms that again are different from what we thought. But if we go down, it's not mathematics achievement, it's mathematics anxiety. Click that and add it to our search. The idea being finding your subject headings. We search, and for this particular combination, there are only 2 results. They're good results, but there are only 2. This is where the search strategy worksheet comes in very handy. It gives us lots of ideas of terms that we can search for. Many ideas. So let's just try gender bias and math, for instance, and now we have 50 results. And once you have a broader search with more results, you can then bring up the subject and do show more, and it will show many, many different subject headings that you can search for. These descriptors can be very good at narrowing the search to just what you're looking for. So, when you're searching, craft your question carefully, write it down, identify your terms, and try a lot of related terms. Writing it down is very helpful. If you need any help, contact the reference desk at refdesk@strohs.edu, call us at 454-5181, or text us at 336-5277.